I'm Violetta in Russian for Foreigners as usual. Are you hungry? I hope not, because we'll speak about food today. It's so exciting topic. So let's start from the first question when I want to ask you, what kind of food do you prefer, do you like? So maybe you like some Chinese, maybe Russian, maybe something else, you should tell me. Okay, these questions so often you can hear if you come here in Russia, because everyone try to know you more. Какие блюда предпочитаете? Какие блюда вы предпочитаете? It means you, but formal. What kind of food do you prefer? Какие блюда предпочитаете? Tell me. As for me, I prefer watermelon. I think I can eat it maybe 24 hours and every day. Okay, I hope you have something different, maybe meat or some fish with a lemon, some salmon. So tasty. Okay, let's move on to the different part of our conversation. Okay, let's speak if you like something or don't like, how you should answer if you like. If you like, мне очень нравится. I like so much. Мне очень нравится. Мне очень, it means so much, нравится. Or я предпочитаю, and tell after what you prefer. What do you prefer? Я предпочитаю. I prefer soup to salad. Okay. Я предпочитаю. Я обожаю. I adore. Обожаю. I think I can say it about my watermelon. Okay, but if you don't like, you also have something to say. I don't like. Я не люблю. Я не люблю. Мне не нравится. I don't like. I really don't like. Мне на самом деле не нравится. I don't like. Мне не нравится. I hate. It means я ненавижу. Okay, you will never say it. Maybe if someone many times gave you something, but you try to be polite, always you explain that it's not your favorite dish, but at least you will say, I hate it, please, will never bring it to me. Okay, I prefer something else. Okay, to be polite, you can say that. I prefer something else, I am not so hungry. Я предпочитаю что-то другое. I prefer something else. Я предпочитаю что-то другое. Do you understand? Okay, if you prefer something else, or you like something, okay, you should tell me, what do you prefer? Что ты предпочитаешь? Что тебе нравится? Какая еда? Какие блюда тебе нравятся? So, we'll move to the next part of our topic. Do you think is it tasty? Do you love it? I like it when this apple is so sour and sweet at the same time. I like that apple. So I hope you're also, but I'm waiting when you try to describe me your favorite food after my lesson, because after you will know some words to use it for describing your favorite food. So let's start from the good taste. Good taste. Tasty, it means вкусно. It's really, this apple I hope so tasty. So let's leave it here to not eat now, because I'm busy now and that apple, I think, doesn't want to be eaten. So taste it means вкусно. 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 Tasty. But it's not enough to describe your favorite food. Just to say tasty. This apple can be flavorful, right? Ароматное яблоко. Apple, яблоко, flavorful, ароматное. Ароматное яблоко. It's so delicious if you feel the smell from your favorite fruits. Yeah, okay. I love fruit. That's why I'm so stuck, puzzles about this. So, divine, божественный. Divine, божественный. Rich in flavor, богатым ароматом. Богатый ароматом. Rich in flavor. Okay, you can move to types of flavor. Yes, if you love something sour and sweet at the same time, it means you're pretty much like me. So sour, it can be lemon, apple, something like this. So it's a кислый, кислый. Лимон, кислый лимон. Кислый. Кислый. Sweet. It's a сладкий. Сладкий. You can say about everything. You can say сладкий even for your baby also. You are sweet. Or your girlfriend. So sweet can be candy also. Сладкий. 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 Bitter. Горький. Bitter. Горький. Salty. If you like something like salmon or tuna, can be salty, this fish. Salty. Соленое. Соленое. Or соленый. Соленая, it's about fish, but if salad can be salty. Соленый salad. So, if you remember, we talked before about female and male words. It's important to know in Russian when you pronounce something. So, oily, greasy, can be жирный, can be cheese or something like this. If you like something like this, maybe you're not on a diet, but I'm on a diet. Okay, жирный, you can say fart also. For us, it's the same word. Oily, fart, greasy. We say жирный, жирная пища, жирный кусок мяса. So, part of like meat can be жирный. Ripe apple can be спелый. Ripe, спелый. So, rib спелый, spicy, hot, can be with a lot of spicy pepper. If you like it, you can, okay, we can speak about it more, but if you don't like sometimes people try to find something to be without pepper or some spice, but in Russia we love it. We love it. That's why we like Chinese food so much. So if it's spicy, пряный, перченый, перченый, перченый. So I love it. I like salad to be pretty much spicy, but it depends on my mood sometimes, you know. So let's again repeat. Tasty, вкусный. Favorable, ароматный. Divine, божественный. Rich in flavor, богатым ароматом. Oh, I love it. So, I'm hungry, becoming hungry. Are you? So, raw. I didn't say about this word. Сырой. A lot of your products at your refrigerator can be raw, but after you will make something, put in the oven or fries it, so can be ready to be eaten. So next one, sour, кислый, sweet, сладкий, bitter, горький, salty, соленая, oily, greasy, can be cheese, pizza. Do you see my Russian friend? He is crazy about oily food. Be on a diet, man. He's always thinking about pizza. Okay, I will prepare for him. Rib can be apple, some fruits, everything. Спелый, spicy, hot, or if it's a lot of pepper, пряный or перченый. Why перченый? Because we have a phrase, word перец. It means paper, перец. But if too much paper in your dish, it means перченый. So easy. So I hope this enough for today. Thank you and welcome to the next video.